enabling Globe's connectivity, something every Filipino can count on. Experience-driven, technology-led, with the evolution of home AI that truly redefines having that digital peace of mind. Globe morning, everyone! Sino sa atin dito ang gusto na, di ba, tumitira sa bahay natin, nangangarap na minsan mag-own ng condominium ng dream homes natin? Sino sa atin dito? Sana man lang. Oh, yan. Masarap mangarap sa mga taong nasa likod natin, di ba? Home is a place where we can rest, relax, and of course, realize our dreams. We believe that moving into your dream house should be something talaga na truly remarkable experience. Dapat stress-free siya, di ba? So picture the moment wherein finally yung dream home mo. Pagbukas mo ng ganyan ng pinto, sarap na experience, di ba? Nakikita ko ang ngiti niya. So hopefully magmo-move in tayo sa dream house natin. Wherein perfect siya, di ba? From a digital experience na lahat ng detalye perfectly planned, wala kang ka-stress-free, hindi mo kailangan intayin yung connections, di ba? Or yung pagdating ng furnitures natin. So today, we are changing that narrative. Through the experience-driven na services natin and technology-led, we at Globe at Home is committed to make sure na pagpasok mong ganyan sa dream house mo, di ba? Apart from sa ganda ng ilaw, lighting, yung kuryente na nagpa-power, can you imagine? Lahat ng binili mong magandang home appliances, na TV, na home AI, pagbukas mong ganyan, lahat sila ready for you to use. It's unheard of, right? So imagine, lahat yon buhay. So before you unpack, nandun na kaagad ang high-speed connection that you have always wanted. Hindi mo kailangan intayin yon. It means zero waiting time. So pagka nag-move in ka, actually naka-move in na siya way ahead of you. Yon ang pinakamaganda natin. So in select premier developments, we have made sure that that internet is effortless, as simple and as easy na pag finlick mo ang switch ng ilaw mo, ready na rin ang internet connection mo. So it's truly a plug and play experience. It respects the aesthetics. Kasi di ba pag pumasok ka sa condo mo, ganda nun, di ba? Finurnish mo lahat yon. Siyempre, ang gusto mo ay wala makikitang bahay ng kahit ano. So when you move in, naka-built-in na rin siya. Hindi natin kailangan mag-drill ng walls. All you need to do, i-plug mo lang siya talaga. So once you've settled, your G-Fiber plan is automatically activated na. It's powered by the best technology. So bawat kwarto doon sa unit mo or doon sa dream na bahay mo, may kasama na siya na high speed. Up to 2.5 Gbps, something na unheard of. By the way, that's the fastest in the market right now. And then we have, of course, the FTTR natin, FTTR 7. So itong mga technology na to, pag tinignan mo, technically it's powered by that technology backend. Sabi nga ni Marlon, highly technical, you don't need to worry about it. Kami nang bahala. It's actually giving you that always-on experience then with the 5G FWA. So itong mga home AI innovations, it's something na, di ba, minsan isip mo, paano ba siya gumagana, di ba? So yung mga ganong stuff, you don't need to worry about it. So whether nagsistream ka ng 8K home video sa bahay mo, nag-gaming tayo or intelligent homes, di ba? Pagka umaandar ka, lumalakad ka, lahat yon pipick upin yon ng seamless Wi-Fi na automatically ini-improve yung experience sa bawat kwarto mo, sa bawat lakad mo. So our commitment is to ensure that that experience is beyond the set of face, but throughout your subscription at Globe at Home. So recently din, something interesting, na-mention to ni Eric, we were awarded yung Ookla. First time in the world, tama ba Eric? Yeah? Wherein we have the mobile and home internet na na-award. Most consistent tayo doon. So, dun sa, inire-reinforce namin yung promise na yon. So, once subscribe ka sa Globe at Home, na nakaregister ka sa Globe One, proactively you will receive notification. So makakatanggap ka nun, just in case, kunyari, the rare moments na down ang network. Sabi nga ni Eric, hindi man kami perfect, but we assure you sa Globe at Home at even sa Globe Mobile natin na services that we restore as fast as in less than 24 hours. So think of it as your digital safety net. Your home AI, di ba? Acts as your lifeline. Tapos yung mga defects or whatever home irregularities, you don't need to worry about it. It's a proactive assurance to make sure that you are never disconnected from what matters most. So recently rin, something interesting that we would like you to see and look for sa streets is nag-deploy kami ng mga care squad. Yung care squad na yun, these are your super skilled na technicians. It doesn't just do yung installation, but just in case bumili ka ng bagong TV or kumuha ka ng mga home AI, they can also help you set it up. So that lahat ng connections nun, ready na siya to make sure that every component is perfect, harmony na nag-orchestrate. Last but not the least, please look out for our blue caravans. It will go on the streets. Magaganda yon na blue. Incidentally, lucky color natin this year, blue, according sa Chinese Feng Shui natin. So, it's a mobile hub of innovation that rolls throughout the community, offering on-the-spot install, upgrade, device change out, at just in case kailangan mo ng face-to-face assistance or repair, it can also do an instant repair for you. So we have successfully rolled it out in certain key towns, and dadami pa yon. So we want to make sure that that high-tech support is delivered to you na neighborhood-friendly feel. So we understand that your time is priceless, which is why, sobrang simple lang. We built on that principle of a 24-hour service guarantee. So that means whether install yan, repair yan, in rare occasions, diba? We should be able to fix it and make sure that it's up and running within that 24-hour window. So this is the gold standard na sinasabi namin na service standard in as fast as 24 hours. Ultimately, your home deserves that seamless connection na binibuild mo sa buhay mo, sa mga pangarap mo. With our experience-driven services and technology-led na products natin, lahat yan, we are delivering more than just fiber. We are giving you that digital peace of mind. So thank you and good morning, everyone.
Thank you very